which is what I wanted to actually talk about last time. But, we got distracted. By we, I mean you.
I got distracted.
Yes, you got
Don't
distracted.
sound like me.
Oh, doesn't
Are
sound
you
like.
sure? Are you sure we're talking about the same person?
I'm pretty sure I'm still talking about the same film.
Hmm.
All right, Filbert, let's talk about Mullen. What is the plan here? The forecast has not been finalized yet, still not visible. So we're getting close, though. So by Friday, we will be able to see it.
Uh-huh.
What's the plan? Are we going to Alexandria or are we going to go to Moland? It's you and I, so no Kyle.
I told you, it depends on the weather.
Mm. Oh, did you get my text about this meteor shower?
Meteor shower? Oh, yeah, it's nothing special.
Yeah, it's only 10 meteors per hour. Truth be told, a good night in Mullen, I think we were getting one or two. I think we were able to get like one per hour. But it will be a nice dark spot, so it'll maximize our chances of actually seeing something. So, and it won't be as good as the last meteor shower. Which meteor shower did we go to? Didn't we go to two this year? Or did we only go to one?
No, I recall only one.
Okay, I was trying to. I was thinking we went to another one, but I know we went to the one during the super moon. We saw quite a few that time, but that was that's the Linoids meteor shower, which is like super active, and you see a ton of meteors. So hopefully next year, it will be only half full, and it won't be a super moon. So. And then several years from now, it'll be a new moon. And we'll be able to go to Mullen or something for that, and it'll be amazing. Potentially,
Yeah.
theoretically. Uh so, if okay, so let's say it's gonna be clear, right? It's gonna be clear. What's our cold threshold? How cold is too cold?
40 degrees.
Bruh. Daytime temperatures don't get above 40 degrees anymore. So you telling me no to Mullen, just go to Alexandria.
No, I think I told you. I said what we do is we go there, we sit in the truck until it gets dark, watching Snoop, watching Peanuts or whatever, and then after it gets fully dark, we sit out for 1 hour and then leave.
I don't want to go all the way to Mullen for that, though. It's such a waste. Oh, yeah, we drove to Mullen, sat in the truck for an hour.
No, I sat in the truck for 4 hours, outside 1 hour.
Oh, God. Sounds terrible. That's
You don't like
9
my idea?
hours. We drive for 5 and
What?
sit for 9.
I mean, I
No.
suppose. No? You say no?
No. We'll have to see. I would love to go to Mullen again this year, but gosh, if it's gonna be stupid,
It'll be cold, my friend.
I
You're
know.
talking about going like the 23rd or something, 22nd.
What?
It's going to be a bit cold.
Well, with the sun setting super early, we could theoretically we don't even have to stay. We could drive back.
Uh, yeah, I guess if you want to get back at 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, that's fine.
I mean, because what we have to get there. It's literally the shortest day of the year. So
So basically, if we left at 7 o'clock, it would be midnight. If we left at 9 o'clock, it'd be 2 a.m.
Yeah, and it's pitch black by 7 or 9.
Holy shit! It's 7 o'clock right now.
Yeah, and it's pitch black outside.
It is.
It's not perfectly dark. You can still kind of see the sun, but it's
we could leave at like 8 o'clock. You know, start at 7. You know, stay out there for an hour, leave at 8, and get back home at 1 a.m.
I see no issues with that.
No issues with that. I don't know who should drive home though, because you have a tendency to fall asleep during house when we have late.
Yeah, but I haven't.
I have a tendency to just fall asleep.
I haven't been on coffee.
Oh. So if you have coffee, you're good.
Mm-hmm. But you don't want me driving your car, which means if we take my truck, it'll cost us just as much. Theoretically, I think if we took my truck, it might cost us as much in fuel as it would spending the night with your car.
Yeah. So it's a bit of a conundrum. Do we take my car and spend the night, or take your truck and go home? A bit of a conundrum.
It is a bit of a conundrum. Especially, actually, with how cold it is, yes, it will definitely cost us more in fuel than it would to stay. It would cost us as much in fuel as it would to stay there, if not more.
I will say my gas mileage has gone down.
Yeah. Now, we could put in my sketchy fuel in my truck, and that subsidized the mission by a little bit. But, 75 down the interstate. What's that? Oh no! It's the sketchy gas. It's a bit of water in the engine, boys.
I think I could stay awake.
Okay. I'll be on coffee, so if you do start to fall asleep, I will slap you.
Oh. Okay.
I'm like, Phil, wake up! And they're like, what? I was in a semi!
And like, what? And right?
What? No, it's the dick!
Bro, I was doing just fine before you woke me up.
I was doing just fine before. 75 straight to the right on the interstate, just shoop. Although, do I need to remind us all the last time we went on a pilgrimage during this time of December?
Let's bring that to mind.
Huh?
Let's enlighten the people.
Let's bring up the last time we went on a pilgrimage. I think it's in vlogs, or is it in other? Let's look here. Nope, it was in other. Fantastic.
The last day of school. No.
I will find it here. I have a ton. I have so many damn. Oh, that's not what I want. Oh, why does that? Okay, hold on. I will find it. Hold on. I gotta find other. Literally top one in this section. Okay. Let's remind the folks the last time. Okay. It'll load here eventually. Maybe. Share my screen. Go live. Can you see this?
Yeah, I didn't pay for gas.
Mm-hmm.
Here's the last time. This is the last time we went on a pilgrimage around this time of year. Look at that.
That looks like me.
It is you. This is the Beast Burger video, remember?
Yeah.
Well, there you are. There's Kyle. And where's the outside? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Come on. Come on. And this is the hell we were in once it loads. Sorry to all of our audio listeners all 0 of our audio listeners.
I'm an audio listener.
To all of our audio folks, sorry you can't see us, but no. And then this is what it looked like outside. We were just vibing inside the truck, and this is what it looked like outside. So, there's always that chance. Always that.
The picture is a bit too much. Is overdoing it a bit. It's not that bad.
No, remember, the camera made it look better than it actually was.
Well, not this photo.
No, because it's overexposed. But like this specific one here. This was on the drive up. It made it because the camera, for whatever reason, can see further than our eyes. I'm never quite sure why. But I'm pretty sure our eyes on the drive up were not able to see these trees. These at the very distant. On the horizon.
I don't know. That was so long ago.
Yeah, when was this? This is 2020, right?
Yeah, sounds about right.
Where's the upload date? YouTube. Why don't you show the upload date anymore?
Why would they?
They used to show me the upload date. It was very nice
No,
when they showed me the update.
I don't think they ever did.
However, this was a few days later.
Hey there.
Well, okay. Yeah, this part was a few days later.
Future us will find. It's gonna be a great thumbnail.
Your freaking eyes are closed. You still...
Wait, what?
It's the time capsule video.
My eyes are closed?
Yes.
They are closed.
This was literally...
I knew I blinked.
The crazy part is, this was just a few days later. If I'm not mistaken, after the Beast Burger video. Right?
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh yeah, I love this comment. If I saw 2 people in a playground area like you two, I would call the cops. Great. Such wonderful human beings.
Wait, when you're digging the hole?
No, when I was burying all the bricks.
Oh.
Remember this part of the video?
Wait, they won't trust us digging in a park?
What?
They won't trust us in a park?
No, I wouldn't trust us in a park.
I would.
Oh, you would. Well, when your kids get abducted, don't come crying to me.
Abducted?
Abducted,
You
yes.
mean when I... Wait, am I doing the abducting?
No, these are your kids.
Yeah, but... Oh, I thought I was doing the abducting.
No. Your kids, will be abducted because you
By
trusted
who?
pedophiles.
Oh. Are they nice?
What? Excuse me? Sir, I'd recommend rephrasing that statement.
Are they kind?
Alright, whatever. I'm gonna... Moving on. Moving on from this lechery.
Mm-hmm.
What else?
Yeah, don't incriminate yourself.
I'm not... there's no incrimination to be done. What am I...